Right now, if you stopped working, your money would stop too. This week, maybe today. That's the treadmill. And I'm about to show you the exact exit ramp off of it. Not someday, not in theory, but the real step-by-step path starting from wherever you are right now. Stay with me. This matters. And let me be clear about who I'm talking to. If you've got a job right now, you work, you get paid, you work more, you get paid a little more, but the second you stop, it all stops. I'm talking to you. I'm not here to tell you that job is shameful. It's not. We'll get to that in a second because it's important. What I am going to give you is the actual math and the actual path. The thing nobody lays out plainly. The specific way a person with a full-time job and barely any spare time builds income that keeps coming in even when they're not working. It's real, it's doable, and it does not require you to quit anything on Monday. Let's get right into it, starting now. First, let's be honest about trading hours for dollars, because I don't want to trash it the way a lot of these videos do. It's not wrong. It's how most of the world works, and there is nothing broken about you if that's where you are right now. But here's the ceiling, and it's just math, not motivation. Your income is capped by the number of hours you can physically work. There are only 24 in a day. About 8 of those already belong to your job. Another chunk belongs to sleep, to your family, to just being a human being. So no matter how hard you grind, no matter how good you get, you hit a wall. There's a hard limit on you, and it's built into the clock. The exit ramp isn't working more hours. You don't have more hours. The exit ramp is building something that makes money when you're not working at all. Now let me show you what that actually looks like. And I'm going to give you the real version, not the fantasy. The exit ramp is not quit your job Monday, launch an AI business Tuesday, make 10 grand by Friday. If anybody's selling you that, close their video and never look back. Here's the real one. You spend 30 to 60 minutes a day, before work, after work, on your lunch break, learning one AI tool and building one thing. That's it, 30 minutes. After 30 to 60 days of that, you land your first client paying you $500 to $1,000 a month. After 90 to 120 days, you've got 2 or 3 clients and you're looking at $1,500 to $3,000 a month in recurring income. Money that shows up whether you work that week or not. And here's what that number really buys you. Options. Options your job has never once offered you. You could cut back to part-time, you could finally build a real cushion, and for some people, down the road, you replace the job completely. But notice where it starts. 30 minutes a day, while you keep the paycheck. No leap off a cliff required. Now you might be asking, why AI automation? Why not freelancing, or investing, or selling something? Fair question. Let me answer it straight. There are lots of ways to build income outside a job, but almost all of them have a catch when you're still working full-time. Freelance writing, you have to do the writing every time. That's just a second job. Investing, you need money to start, and a lot of it to make a real dent. But AI automation is different. And here's the specific reason it fits your life right now. The startup cost is basically zero. The tools are free or close to it. Learning it takes hours, not months. And this is the part that changes everything. You're building systems that run on their own. You build the thing once. Then it works while you're at your day job. It works while you sleep. It doesn't need you standing over it. That's the whole point. That's what makes it survivable for someone who only has 30 minutes a day to give. Okay, here's the one mental shift that separates the people who actually get off the treadmill from the people who stay on it forever. And it's simple, but it's everything. Stop thinking of your time as the asset. Start thinking of the systems you build as the asset. Your job pays you for time. Show up, get paid. Stop showing up, stop getting paid. Your AI automation business pays you for results. And the AI delivers those results whether you're awake, asleep, on vacation, or sitting at your day job. That's the shift. You stop being a worker, you become a builder. and a builder gets to own something. A worker just rents out their hours. That right there is the exit ramp. So let me leave you with the truth of it. The exit ramp is real. The tools exist. The clients are out there right now. And the path is simple enough that someone working full-time with barely any spare hours can actually walk it. It is not a fantasy. It's a sequence. 30 minutes a day, 90 days, and a financial picture that looks nothing like the one you have today. The first step is the free AI Automation Quick Start Guide. It's the exact starting point, plain English, no fluff, built for someone who's squeezing this in around a full-time job. It's completely free, and it's waiting for you at automatedincomelab.com. Go get it right now while you actually believe this is possible, because that belief is the thing that fades by tomorrow morning if you don't act on it tonight. automatedincomelab.com. Go get the guide. Start today.